Assalamualaikum.
Hai, Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Oh yeah, I want to invite you to meet. I really miss you.
I miss you too. But do you know about the news on the TV? Now, public is worried because of COVID-19 pandemic. So, to reduce the spread of COVID-19, the people must avoid crowds.
Yes, that's right. The spread rate of COVID-19 has also increased sharply.
What if we invite other friends to meet at a video conference using an application called Zoom Meeting? How?
Okay, let's tell the group.
Okay.
How to register and create a room at the Zoom meeting. Materials: number 1, laptop or PC or smartphone. Number 2, internet connection. Step: first visit the website, then click the register button. Next, fill in the email file with your active email. Then check the email from Zoom in your inbox. Click active account until you are redirected to the browser to create a new password. Congratulations, your account is active and can be used. Next, we will make the meeting room Zoom. Open a register application. Click new meeting. Rejoin audio. Joining computer audio. Select participant. Then click invite. URL, click copy button. After that, share URL. Finally, admit incoming people today can join the meeting room. Meeting Zoom is ready to go.
Assalamualaikum. Hi guys.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yay, finally we can meet, guys.
I really miss you guys.
Hey, I really miss you too, guys.
I miss school.
Wait, Amanda? How come your video is not clear to me? Is my signal bad?
Oh yeah, in my frame too.
Really? How about the others? Equally unclear.
Same.
Coach, how does anyone have a solution?
Maybe the laptop camera factor. So, the image quality is not clear enough.
I have a solution. So that the camera quality is good like a smartphone by making your smartphone as a webcam.
Webcam?
Can you? Why did I just find out?
Yes, with a smartphone as a webcam later, the camera quality is good. Can you tell us how to use phone as a webcam?
Okay, wait.
First, install the Webcam application on your smartphone. Download Diyan Play Store for mobile. Second, install Webcam on your laptop or PC. Download the original Webcam for Windows. Open the developer mode on your smartphone. After that, enable USB debugging on your smartphone. Open the Webcam application on your smartphone. Next, connect the smartphone to the laptop or PC with a USB cable. Then, open the Webcam application on your laptop. Allow USB debugging mode on your smartphone. After the smartphone is detected on your laptop or PC, click Start. Finally, Make sure everything is properly connected and webcam can be used.
Well, now it's good quality.
Yeah, good quality.
That's cool.
I also want to follow using a laptop become ugly.
Do you want it?
Just jealous.
Oh yes, thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to remember it. Yeah, don't bother. We will definitely remember it.
Okay, see you at school.
I'm out too. See you guys. See you.